More and more people are researching the panels and getting more educated. So people are scared with what they see on the news about poor quality systems. I think more and more homeowners and business owners are getting educated and starting to seek out the quality product. They know that the crap's out there and they actually want to do the right thing and search out that panel. Higher efficiency panel is going to generate more. The upfront cost may be more, but in the long run, it's going to make you more money, not going to degrade as much. So after 350 watt panel now in 25 years is still guaranteed to generate over 90% of its capacity. So in 25 years, you're still going to be generating a substantial amount of electricity. Investing in high quality solar definitely gives you more reliability, and you're guaranteeing yourself with a company 25-year product warranty. It's going to give you a long-term investment which is protected by a large manufacturer, which in the solar industry, who's to say if half the panel manufacturers at the moment will be around in 5-10 years' time.